Hello friends, do you know the one thing which defines our world today in a scenario where we are closer together and yet we are further apart? As technology challenges itself for a faster rate of change, artificial intelligence now competes with natural stupidity, and you need to keep pace with change and invest 9 minutes of your time twice a week on yourself and your career. And I promise, never look back again. So friends, announcing the arrival of Sanjay Sutra Shortcast, Understanding Work and Life with Humanity and Humility in Mind. The program features my keystone template, which has stood the test of time, which is inspired by Vedic principles of Ruchi, which is interest, Yogyata, which is ability, and Vishwas, which is confidence. And for more details, I am available to you at sanjay.chaudhary@rediffmail.com, and please visit me at www.sanjaychaudhary.in. Well friends, I am Wing Commander Sanjay Chaudhary. I am a people professional with the right attitude, skills and experience. I have worked in education, manufacturing and power, advocacy and consultancy and defense. I have served in leadership roles, executing cross-functional responsibilities and contributed to top most tier educational institutes, IIML, University of International Repute, Sharda, large multinational corporation, Vedanta Aluminium, and a global not-for-profit organization, the Geneva-based International Road Federation, and last but certainly not the least, the mighty Indian Air Force. I have directed, amongst other things, a niche international think tank on sustainable mobility and road safety with a diverse menu leveraging experiences with European, Asian, African and American cultures to design high-performing, cohesive teams. So, friends, in a line, an air warrior for some time, a corporate honcho for some more, and a communication samurai always. Well, I really dislike saying this, but the Sanjay Sutra shortcasts are certainly not for everyone. Sanjay Sutra shortcasts are not for you if you do not want or need to establish yourself as a reckonable force in your domain. Secondly, you hate learning new, easier way of doing things. Thirdly, you talk big but stop when it comes to taking action and implementing. And if you don't care about making an impact on your personal and of course professional life, then please do not attend the Sanjay Sutra shortcasts. If you are looking for a fairy tale or a quick fix solution that does not require any work on your part, let me assure you, this is not for you. Alright? However, Sanjay Sutra shortcasts are for you if, please note, if you are looking to grow and highlight your presence at work and at home. Fine, you are feeling overwhelmed and do not know where to start. You like following, gradually incremental conversations that help get results. This program then is for you. You are an action taker and an implementer. Again, this is for you. You are willing to invest time and commit yourself to your career. Right? The question in your mind now, I think, most probably should be, who should attend Sanjay Sutra shortcast? Right? All right. Okay. Remember, you asked for it. Sanjay Sutra Shortcast is for, note, life coaches, teachers, customer service representatives, fashion designers, supervisors, models, actors, clerks, real estate brokers, medical representatives, technical marketeers, accountants, auditors, managers, athletes, financial planners, marketeers, web developers, graphic designers, painters, commuter drivers, secretariats, people working with the media, recruiters, real estate agents, housewives, nurses, managers, dancers, engineers, receptionists, artists, videographers, dietitians, and all dog lovers. And friends, this list is indicative, not comprehensive. A cautionary warning here, Sanjay Sutra shortcasts require a shift away from the old way of doing business or leading life by trying an endless series of, get rich quick kind of schemes, hoping that you will eventually earn enough money to enjoy the lifestyle you desire or acquire skills that help you rapidly grow professionally. Well, this can be exhausting and disappointing. And if you have been feeling like you don't have enough time right now or even later, there's a reason. If you have been feeling overwhelmed right now and even later or earlier, there's a reason. And the reason is that you have probably been spending too much of time seeking answers from blogs, videos, social media, webinars, and other programs. Or worse, bad advice from friends who just do not get it. Right? So what you need is the Sanjay Sutra Shortcasts, the one-stop shop where you can get all the answers you seek in one place. The conversations which we will have will help you to prioritize better, making better decisions, right? You will build the strong foundation you need to start getting real traction in your personal and most certainly professional goals. You will no longer feel overwhelmed and confused by all things you think you need to do to attract success, and everything will actually get a lot simpler, clearer, and easier. And that is where Sanjay Sutra Shortcast steps right in to charge and steer the hypothetical ship across the proverbial storm at work and indeed in life. Invest 9 minutes of your time twice a week on yourself and your career. Never look back again. That's a promise. Sanjay Sutra Shortcasts, understanding work and life with humanity and humility in mind. Finally, the last word. Sanjay Sutra Shortcast is not a secret recipe or a magic wand. The application of the 3 Vedic principles and suggestions emanating from them will not make you instantly funnier or unimaginably successful in whatever you do or irresistible to the opposite sex. Right? I add a little practice, however, and it just might. Eagerly looking forward to have a conversational dialogue with you soon at Sanjay Chaudhary at readifmail.com, and please do visit me at sanjaychaudhary.in. We'll meet there. Until then, be strong, be brave, be bold, and most of all, decide to be a new, improved 2.0 version of yourself. Bye for now. Take care.